Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This would mainly be for printers to give it a little bit of distress look to an item. It could be anything. This is a vector flag that I just got off the internet and traced it, and it came out really good. And just today I started using the under effects and distort. I've never even looked at this. You know, we did it earlier with the mesh, and you know, you could play with it and make it like that. But here's another item I just kind of playing around with: effects, distort, and displacement. And you look at that, and you could make it more or less or even a lot more. And, you know, it's just changing. I mean, I don't know how far you'd want to take it, but, and I don't even know what it would look like printed. One thing we're going to test is to make sure that there's no other background. We're going to take a yellow box, go to object, order, back a page, and you can see that would print just like that, kind of a distressed look. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.